To fix Stripe not showing in Shopify, start by checking your Shopify account and Stripe account to ensure they are connected. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Settings section. Then click on Payments to view your payment gateways. If you do not see Stripe listed, click on Add Payment Gateway and search for Stripe. Then follow the prompts to connect your Stripe account. Next, verify that your Stripe account is active and that you have completed the setup process. Check your email for any notifications from Stripe that may indicate issues with your account. Ensure that your business and bank information is accurate and up to date in your Stripe dashboard. Another common issue is that your Stripe payment gateway may not be enabled. To enable it, go back to your Shopify payments settings and click on the three dots next to Stripe. Then select Activate. If you are still having trouble, try reinstalling the Stripe payment gateway by clicking on Remove and then adding it again. It is also possible that your store's currency or location is not supported by Stripe. Check the Stripe website to see which currencies and countries are supported, and ensure that your store's settings match. If your currency or location is not supported, you may need to use a different payment gateway or adjust your store's settings. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, try contacting Shopify support or Stripe support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide more detailed guidance on how to fix it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue and get Stripe working in your Shopify store. Remember to double-check all of your settings and account information to ensure that everything is accurate and up to date.